They made it look like it was a pop-up book. And it's a one-shot. All there was no cutting, there was no editing. Used to like the Ska La 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 album. Christian ska back in the 90s. I'll have to take a look at that. I used to like the Mighty Mighty Boss Tones. I am a 90s kid. I am a 90s. I am from Generation X. I was talking to somebody at work who uh, reminded me of my daughter. I was helping her with her computer, her GPU, her graphics card, and uh, she was saying things. She said something to make me realize how young she was and how old I was. So then she says, "Oh, what generation are you with?" I said, "Generation X." She says, "Oh, that's my dad's generation." You don't have to say that who that my you're the same age as your dad. You could just say, mm-hmm, yep, mm-hmm. So it was fun. She was a delight. Uh oh, you don't remember what group it was? Ska la 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 la. All right, what do we do here with this? Let's try this. Let's do this action right there. Let's have some. I think I can do that backwards. Let's do this way. Let's have some intersections in these roads, these wrinkled roads. Ooh, I like that. I think I like it. Was catching up with an older coworker today. Told him my oldest has a baby on the way. He texted back, "Congrats, Grandma." Well, yeah, I mean, congrats. That is awesome. Congratulations. Oh, yes, let's do that. I like that. That's a good idea. I think I just learned something about wrinkles. Folds and wrinkles. Drapery, folds, and wrinkles. Oh my! Wrinkles in skin and wrinkles in fabric are good things to an artist. I like drawing wrinkles, I don't like having wrinkles. Let me clarify. I Want to draw wrinkles, but not have them. I have some salt and pepper in my beard. It's getting more salty than peppery. Eventually, I'm gonna have a beard of wisdom. Only my beard will be wise. I don't yet have a crown of wisdom. When you had when you're in the hospital with your firstborn, the hospital the workers like to call you dad, walking around the halls with your firstborn. Congratulations, Dad. Looking for your response. Like that's the first time anyone's called me Dad. After a while, I get told, it's like, okay, I know what you're trying to do. I had the response. I already had the response. There was a woman who, so you take your baby down the hall to have the baby pictures, and they're newly born, like they're a day old, and you put them down in the bassinet, and they're swaddled up, and they're just trying to get some sleep, because it's a hospital, and every every few hours somebody's waking you up. And I remember that there was a new mother there who was telling the photographer, "Can you get the baby to smile? Can you like smile? Smile." I don't think they know how to smile at that age. I don't. I remember a big deal. I remember it was a big deal when I saw my firstborn smile for the first time, and we were at home. So, photographer probably got a bad comment card. Did not try to get the baby to smile. If you think your newborn smiled, it's probably gas. That's right. So I tried signing up for Blessing Boat, and Blessing Boat was full up. It will be a full Blessing Boat week. I don't know who's going to be there, but I know who's not going to be there. I will be watching. I will be supporting as much as I can.